In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix status access violation error in Google Chrome. So if you're also facing this error, there are various things that you can do in order to fix it. First of all, what you can do is simply try restarting your Google Chrome. For that, simply close the Google Chrome. After you do that, open the Google Chrome again. Now your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, there might be some problem with the device. So in that case, what you can do is simply try restarting your PC. For that, click on the start icon that you can see at the taskbar. Now what you have to do is click on the power icon. After you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on the option restart and your PC will be restarted. After that, your error should be fixed. But if your error is still not fixed, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache and cookies of the Google Chrome. For that, what you have to do is click on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. You'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option, delete browsing data. Now after you do that, you'll be able to clear the browser data. Make sure the browsing history, cookies and other site data, cached images and files, download history, all boxes are checked. After you do that, click on this option, delete data that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the cache and cookies of the Google Chrome has been cleared. After you do that, your problem should be solved. But if your error still continues, what you have to do is simply update the Chrome. For that, click on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen again. Now what you have to do is click on this option, help. After you do that, you'll be able to find this option for about Google Chrome. Click on it. Now you can see over here, Google Chrome will check for the updates. Right now, the Google Chrome is up to date for me. But if your Google Chrome needs any update, it will be updated. After you do that, your error must be solved. If your error is still not solved, what you can do is simply try disabling the extensions. For that, what you have to do is simply go to new tab. After you do that, click on the search bar and type in Chrome : 2//. Now simply type in extensions. Now press enter. Now you'll be led to the extensions interface of Chrome. You can see over here, you'll be able to see all of your extensions over here. Now you'll have to identify the problematic extension over here. Find the extension that looks suspicious that might be causing the error. Once you find it, what you can do is simply disable that particular extension. After you do that, your problem might be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply reset the Chrome settings. For that, what you have to do is click on the three dots again. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option, settings. Now you'll be led to the settings interface. At left, you'll be able to find various options. Find this option for reset settings and click on it. Now over here, you'll be able to find this option for restore settings to their original defaults. Click on it, follow through the prompts and you'll be able to restore the settings. Once you do that, all of the extensions will be disabled and all of your temporary data will be cleared. Now your error must be fixed. But if your error is still not fixed, what you can do is simply try reinstalling the Chrome. Reinstalling the Chrome is the last resort that you can try. For that, what you have to do is first of all uninstall the Google Chrome. Click on the search bar that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now what you have to do is simply type in add or remove programs. You'll be able to see the result over here. Click on this option, open. Now after you do that, you'll be able to uninstall the applications and other programs. You'll be able to see the list over here. Over here, you'll have to find the option for Google Chrome and click on it. Once you do that, you'll be able to find this option for uninstall. Click on it and the Google Chrome will be uninstalled. Now go ahead and download the Google Chrome again. After you do that, your problem should be solved. So these are basically the ways to fix your error. So that is how you fix status access violation error in Google Chrome. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.